Hey there, guys. Hope you're all doing well. So, guys, do you want to know about bicycle reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. And, guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you've not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from India are very curious to know about this site. So make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any points. So first of all, we'll check the website's type and the products they deals with. So guys, this website is an e-commerce site which deals with rental bicycles. They offer rental bicycles. So you can check this out. Here they've also given the charges as well for the rental bicycles. So this website is for renting bicycles, so you can check this out, guys. So next we'll talk about the other details of this site. So first, if you want to know about their payment method, we have checked, but this website has not given their payment options anywhere. And about the shipping policy also, they have not given their shipping information as well. So now, guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, this website was registered on 9 of September 2021 and it will expire on 9 of September 2022, which means this website is very new and hence it can't be trusted. Next, we'll check their about us details. So go to the about us page section and here they provided some details. Also, they have mentioned about their founder identity, about the CEO, and about what kind of company they are. So you can check this out. But they have not given their business establishment here. We have checked. So this is a negative point. Also, they have mentioned about their purpose. Now guys, if you want to know about the contact details, we have checked, but this website also haven't given their contact information anywhere. Now guys, talking about their social media presence, we have checked, but this website also doesn't have any social media presence at all. So this is a huge drawback. Now talking about their written and refund policy, this website also haven't given their written or refund policy information. So guys, do comment about your experience in written or refund of the product. For written or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the bicycle reviews. Well, there are no single customer review in any trusted website, but there are many article-based review, and the article-based review are also negative. Many article-based review has mentioned that it is a scam, it might be suspicious, so be aware of this. So there are articles about this website talking if it is a fake or scam, and most of them are negative, saying that it is a scam website. Now guys, if you want to know about the trust score of the site, we have checked and the trust score of the site is 2% and the trust ranking is 38.6%, which is very low. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the bicycle reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website does not have any customer reviews. Also, the trust score is very low. And this website is also very new and they have not given their contact information or any of their policies. So it seems like a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.